What's going on? It's Bapetown here with another video. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information on the latest Bape. Let's get into the video. The Bape Uno Collection. I'm gonna be upfront with you guys. This collab was kinda...
I don't even know what to say, bro.
Kinda reminded me of the Eminem collab, but no matter what my opinion, I'ma always give y'all the latest on Bape. Uno celebrating 50 years of starting fights.
Drop more. Drop two. Drop two.
Stop!
Drop two more. On the well.
They dropped 6 items. First up, the Bape Uno tee. Y'all remember them OG DC and Marvel Bapesters dropping in the action figure packaging? Looked like Uno took a page out of the book, creating the Uno card packaging for their tee. Let's open this bad boy up. There it is, the Bape Uno tee. We got that Uno and a Bathing Ape logos with the all over Bape camo wild card graphic center chest. And on the bottom right, we have the same wild card graphic. On the back of the tee, we have a graphic print of the side of the Bape Uno box. Personally, something I wouldn't rock, but if you heavy on Uno, go ahead and rock it. I can't hate on you. Next up, we have the Bape Uno bean cushions. I actually really like these. It's basically a Uno card in a pillow form. On one side, you have the design of a back of a Uno card, of course, with some Bape elements, the Ape head logo, and the all over Bape camo print. And on the other side, you have the +4 and +2 graphics. And I know y'all know about the bean cushions. Super soft. One of the better items in the Bape Uno collection. Next up, we have the Bape Uno Tote Bag. This bad boy is extra colorful. We have a lot of the Bape logos and graphic prints illustrated on this tote bag. Tiger print, Bape General, Mad Ape Head, Shark Face, Panda, Baby Milo, Big Ape Head, Fizzyworks logo, Bapester text logo, all kinds. On the inside, we have one single pocket with the Bape Uno graphic print. Just like the tee, personally something I wouldn't rock, but as a collectible, kinda cool. Last up, the Bape Uno cards. In my opinion, the best item in this collection. Let's open these bad boys up. Every card has the Bape camo overlay with its own individual Bape graphic. Real dope collectible, and you can school some people in Uno with some style. Or you can lose some too, like I just did a few minutes ago. I lost like 5 games. Well, there it is, the Bape Uno collection. What y'all think? Hit or miss? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget now, the KAWS Tokyo First giveaway is still going on. And as always, I have all the latest Bape on my website. Link in the description. As always, I appreciate y'all watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.